Hello my friends, thank you for coming back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to introduce to you this plant, the dandelions. I'm sure all of you or most of you are familiar with this plant. It grows here in Lebanon, in my area, especially on the beginning of spring. It grows everywhere. Now we're in the beginning of autumn, but I noticed that there's still growing lots of them in my garden. So I decided to do something about them because I just learned that we can make our own capers through dandelions buds. So yeah, there are capers coming from the dandelion. We call it the dandelion capers. It is the closed dandelion flower bud, very close to the ground. Nowadays, the capers are becoming so expensive because here in Lebanon, I think they are being imported. Yeah, the situation really calls us to do something, to create our own capers. And thank God for the internet, I learned that I can make my own capers. So I gathered all the buds, the closed buds of the dandelion, and these are all I got. I chose the ones that are really very firm. Don't include the ones that are already mushy or that has the hair that, like, inside of it has like strands of hairy and soft flour inside, because then your capers will be mushy. Wash them thoroughly, cleanly. Make sure that there's no little bugs in there or insects or ants, whatever. Just make sure that your capers are thoroughly clean and wash them thoroughly like this. You will only need very simple ingredients on making your dandelion capers. Dandelion capers that is homemade is just really fun to make. So you have your mason jar, fill it with drinking water. Don't forget to measure, it should be 1 cup of it. You can adjust according to the amount of your capers, but just make sure that when you mix them together, it will be covered by the concoction, which is 1 cup of water, and then I added 1 tablespoon of salt, and then filled it thoroughly with the apple cider vinegar. So don't forget 1 tablespoon of salt with a 1 cup of water. Put it in a mason jar, and when you put inside your capers, make sure that it would be covered. So if not, add more vinegar. Mix them well, cover it. There, it's ready. Your pickled dandelion caper is almost ready. You just have to wait like 30 days for it to be ready to be used. So what I did is I left it on the fridge, and from time to time I mix it, and like I do now, for the liquid to saturate all the dandelion buds or the dandelion capers. So after 30 days, here's our dandelion capers. It's ready. Let me show you the real capers. So they are like this, and we love to mix it with our salads or with our sauces, or when I cook adobo, I like to mix it with a bit of capers. Let's see also the dandelion capers, how it looks like. You see, they almost look alike, but they're just a bit smaller than the other one, the original caper. And the taste, yum. It's so almost like the original capers, but it just leaves a hint of, like a bit of bitterness, which I really like also. So yeah, so from time to time I go to the garden, and instead of just pulling out those dandelions, I take its buds and make it a dandelion capers. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed my video for today. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to leave a comment. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. But most, don't forget to leave a mark so I can follow you. So, presenting to you our homemade dandelion capers. Fresh from the nature, free, and received with blessings and thanksgiving from nature. Have a nice day.